Today I'm going to show you the LeadMaster and 3CLogic integration. We're going to go over both the admin side of the integration as well as what it's going to be like to be a representative within the 3CLogic LeadMaster integrated system. As you can see here on my screen today, you can see that your representative, when they log in to their desktop icon, will be greeted by their home screen. Their home screen is going to have a few things there for them. They're going to be able to adjust their mic, their speaker, and their ringer for their set. You'll be able to make outbound calls in a few different ways. This will be predictively on a single one-to-one basis, click to call, as well as a progressive manner. You'll also be able to accept inbound calls via direct extension, direct line, through an IVR, and a number of different ways that you may be able to accept both inbound and outbound calls, as the 3CLogic LeadMaster solution is a blended solution. Below your microphone settings, you'll see your agent statistics, kind of how they've been doing in their dashboard settings, how long they've been available. These are just some nice tools for your rep to have. What's going to be key, though, is your rep's going to come up here to the top left-hand corner and mark themselves as available. Once they do mark themselves as available, this is when they'll be able to accept both inbound and outbound calls. So if we were to, say, make a call in either predictive, progressive manner, or in just a one-to-one basis, the following screen would pop for your rep. This would also be the same screen that would pop for your rep if they were to receive an inbound call. As you can see here, the following information is going to be displayed for your rep. This is going to be, address information, company information, name, whatever custom fields that you currently have in LeadMaster. You'll be able to make notes. You'll see their contact info or other. All the information you see on the screen here is being pulled from LeadMaster into 3CLogic, so it's displayed for your agent. This is your first option. This is going to be the simplest and most straightforward option for your representative. This just displays all the information in real time that you have in LeadMaster, and will push back whatever updates that you may have back into LeadMaster. You'll have, your scripts, your FAQs, as well as your history, so that all of this information will also be updated within LeadMaster. You can see that you'll have your standard telephonic controls at the top, such as accept, end, hold, conference, transfer, mute. Depending on what option you choose, this is the information it's going to display. As you can see, this is the simplest version of the 3CLogic LeadMaster integration. Your second option is going to look like this. This is where your information is going to pop within LeadMaster itself. So as you can see, we have Wayne Mueller here who called in, and we also have Wayne Mueller here. Depending on which option you want to have populate for your reps, you'll have this area here. So within the LeadMaster itself, 3CLogic is really only operating as a screen to pull this information. You'll have your standard telephony controls on the right-hand side. You'll be able to disposition the call here within it, but you'll really have all the functionality you've gained with LeadMaster right here. You can also insert click-to-call buttons depending on the level of integration that you want to have here and here. These are all out-of-the-box features that will be presented with you when you're using a dual solution. You'll also be able to change the lead status. Depending on what lead status you change in within LeadMaster, this will not only spur your regular email campaigns within LeadMaster, but this will also set up an automatic callback within 3CLogic. So let's say you set nurture. This means that you'd give this person back a call back within, say, 1 week. This system, 3CLogic, will automatically make sure that Wayne here is called back within 1 week. This is just one of the benefits of using the dual-hearted solution. You will still have these standard telephony controls, and you can still disposition from 3CLogic. But if you're going to use a full solution within, you might as well just disposition from LeadMaster. So moving on to some other boxes that you're going to have at your ready, you'll have your active call window. You'll have your phone disposition. So if you need to have make manual calls, you also have the ability to call and chat with reps, or with your reps to call and chat with management. As an administrator, you'll be able to barge in on your reps, as well as use the whisper features where you can listen, not only listen in on your reps, but then you can then take the next step to speak to the rep without the client hearing. All of the call detail records that will be gathered from a call will then be pushed also back into LeadMaster. So this means what rep spoke to the individual, what was the disposition, what was the day and time, what was the duration of the call, etc. So that your leads within LeadMaster will have as much information as possible, so that your rep will really gather that 360-degree view that we're always looking for. Just a few other notes on the boxes that will be available for your reps. You'll have an inbound queue. So if all of your reps are currently on a call, they'll then be able to see if that one person who can't get transferred, they'll be able to see what their average wait time is and who's calling them. Some other neat tools that you'll have within the integrated solution is your reps will be able to change their caller ID to appear to be local or to represent a different campaign. They'll also have the ability to mark themselves as available, away, and then you can customize different settings for them, such as lunch break, meetings, paperwork, busy, whatever that may be, so you can really track your representative's time. What we really aim to do within this solution is that we've added a complete call and recycling policy in regards to your calling and how you can manage your leads so that each lead is followed up in its appropriate time. Each integration, though, can be unique in its own way so that it can fit your business needs. You merely just need to reach out to your LeadMaster 3CLogic account rep to really strike into what you would need for your particular business. Let's move on to the administrative side. On the administrative side of the 3CLogic LeadMaster system, you're going to be gain a whole bunch of tools and being able to, listen in on your reps and also see what have they been doing, your call recordings, and your dashboard features. One of my favorite features of the integrated solution is the dashboard itself. With the dashboard, you're going to be able to see what your reps are up to, what projects they're dialing on, how many calls they've made, if they're active, available, not available, busy, away, or in preview mode. You'll also get this in a live pictorial form here as well, so you can see what's going on within your contact center. You'll have these same dashboards that update every 5 to 2 seconds, not only for your agents, but for your dialer, your queue dashboard, your leads list dashboard, and a live dashboard of sales. Although dashboards are important, what I would really consider the lifeblood of the system is your reports. Within your reports, you're going to have the following system available for you. So you can select what projects you've created for your agents to dial, the type of calls, the time frame, the dispositions, the type of calls that you want to see, which reps you want to see, etc. These can be as complicated or as simple as you want. Once you get this, you can run Get Report, and the following report will be populated for you. So you get the time of the call, the project, the agent, all of the durations that you may want, the disposition, the destination, and the hyperlink to the call recording that you can listen to in a WAV file. Once again, all this information will be stored and saved within LeadMaster for your convenience. You can also build custom reports so that you can have these automatically emailed to you at the same time every day, every week, or every month. Overall, though, the integrated system is very user-friendly. You all have 24/7 support. You'll be able to create and manage your contact center with ease, as creating and deleting agents, managing them, designing your projects, your IVR, your lead recycling policies, etc. But overall, what we really want to do here today is make sure that you have a complete solution for you. So when you are operating within a LeadMaster 3CLogic solution, your reps will have a 360-degree view. You'll have a complete, tight recycling policy, and make sure that you really have the benefit of using an integrated solution, not only within a contact center software, but also within a great CRM system such as LeadMaster. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your account rep, and they'd be happy to answer any questions you may have.